Welcome to calendar. All right, friends. We are in the month of April. So let's sing our months of the year together. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. So we know it is April. Let's see what our day of the week is. If yesterday was Thursday, today it is. If you said Friday, you are right. Stand up. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Jump, jump. Days of the week. Jump, jump. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Jump, jump. All right, sit on down. So if yesterday was the 9th, what comes after 9? Dun, 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 10. Today it is the 10th. So we say it is Friday, April 10th, 2020. Moving on to our weather. Again, just a reminder, we're not going to be graphing on our weather chart. You are going to be graphing at yours at home. All right. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather, everyone? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Is there rain or is there sun? Tell your parent or your brother or sister or your grandparents or your friend what the weather is today. As you're doing that, I'm going to get ready for our tally marks. All right, so we are going to be having a 1, 2, 3, 4, our 5th tally mark. When we do our 5th tally mark, it goes diagonal. Diagonal means I start at one corner and draw the straight line to the other corner. That is a diagonal line. It represents now 5. So we are going to count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130, 135, 140. We have been learning for 140 days. Now we are going to go on over to our place value chart. As I get it together here. That's a good 4 for writing it on the computer. All right, so 140, we have to add another 1. When we do that, we notice that our tens frame is all filled up. So what are we able to do? We can exchange our 10 ones for 1 10. So we're going to count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just took away 10, and we need to add in or replace it with a tens. So now we have 100. How many tens now? 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 0 ones. So we are going to have to change up our math equation. Alrighty. So we have 100 here. So we have 100 plus, let's see how many are now with our tens. We're going to count by tens to see that. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we write 100 plus 40. And how many ones do we have? 0. So 100 plus 40 plus 0 equals 140. Good work, friends. All right, last but not least, we're going to go to our reading. Let's see what vowel they want us to do today. They want us to do the I again. All right, so in your head, sound out this make-believe word. We'll do it together. Gim. Up next. Oh, I don't want us to use that. Let's see. All right, let's do this one. Do it in your head. Let's do it together. Rid. Sound it out in your head. Let's do it together. Zidge. And last, make-believe word. We'll do it together. Nid. Excellent work today, friends. I will see you on Monday.